We've all been there. You're out camping, you reach for your lighter and nothing. No fuel, no flame. Most people would toss this away, but today I'm going to show you why a broken lighter is actually a high-tech fire starter in disguise. First, a quick reality check. If the flint wheel, which is this metal jaggedy circle, still spins and throws sparks, then your lighter isn't completely dead. It's just gone into retirement mode. We're going to use the ferrocium rod inside of this to ignite a fire from scratch. And what you'll need for this is a knife, your dead lighter, and a bit of tinder. This is your secret sauce to lighting your fire. If you just flick the lighter at a pile of sticks or tinder, nothing will happen. We need to create a fuel pile. And this is when we use the knife. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly shave off lots of this plastic. These really fine plastic shavings. And this is the fuel pile I'm referring to. So as I'm shaving my knife over this lighter, it's producing these really fine curly bits of plastic. What you want to do is remove this metal piece right there. That gives us direct access to these fine shavings of flint that we want to collect up. So I just use my knife to pry off the metal hood, but you could also use a stick or your keys if you have any keys on you. Slowly turn the wheel to build up a pile of shavings. These are ferrocium rod shavings. And as I'm doing it, you'll see tiny black grains falling out of the lighter. This is ferrocium dust. And just so you can see what's actually happening, as I'm turning this wheel, it's creating a very fine pile of dust. Now, when this dust is added to this pile of plastic shavings, this is what will turn into a flame. So I've been doing this for a few minutes now, and you can already see there's a pile of dust built up in amongst all this plastic shaving. Now for the fun part. This is when we need our dry tinder, or I've also got a bit of silver birch bark. So what you want to do now is place your lighter as close to your pile of shavings as you can and keep flicking until you see a flame or a burst of fire. And here we are. Because we gathered those shavings, the spark stayed alight for long enough for the tinder to catch. And from here on, you just need small sticks or kindling, place them onto the flame and build up your fire. Or in this case, I've just transferred it over to a piece of silver birch bark. And if you look carefully, you'll see how dark, thick black this smoke is. This is because silver birch bark contains natural oils. This is a great tinder when it comes to fire lighting in the wild. Look at the color of that smoke. Woo! So that is how you create a fire from a dead lighter. Now here's the tip. If your wheel is jammed, what you can do is use your knife to prise away the wheel, revealing the spring underneath. And that spring pushes up the small flint. That's the ferrocium rod. It's a little bit fiddly, but you can grab hold of that little ferrocium rod and then strike or scrape carefully with your knife, again to build up a pile of shavings. So never throw away a dead lighter in the woods. It's always got hundreds of sparks left in it, which you can use to create fire. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and please share this awesome survival tip. Stay safe, stay prepared. I'll see you in the next one.